So I was watching the Egg Whisperer show and P.Volve came on, and apparently this workout system is cycle friendly safe. Okay, what does that mean? If you're starting an ovarian stimulation cycle, it's advised that you don't work out, but according to this Rachel Catman, they've developed a program that is friendly to do during your cycle stimulation, and it's a 19-day program. I haven't tried it out yet, and I picked up the essentials kit. These are the ankle weights. Ooh, these are cute. Heavy ankle band, P-band, sliders. I actually don't have any sliders, and the P-ball. One of the things that intrigued me about this, not only for it being stimulation safe, was the fact that there wasn't big bulky equipment. I don't know about you, but I was looking for an exercise program, and I feel like it's like a lot of stuff is a whole closet full of weights or these big mirrors, which, don't get me wrong, those look cool. But I live in a small condo, so I just don't have that kind of space right now. Just hooked in my laptop to my TV, and here we go. I just finished the Welcome to Moving During Fertility Treatment video, the 10-minute pre-injection meditation, and my first workout. And I must say, I really liked it. I like that they went over what was to be expected because it's broken up into 3 phases: the early treatment phase, the ovarian stimulation phase, and finally the post-retrieval phase, which is great. Something I like about the workouts was, 1, that they're low impact, and 2, I like that before you even click on the workout, it tells you what equipment you need so you can get it out. After I complete the 3 phases, I will do an update.